You have my ball. That kid's got the ball. Do you want to go to Uncle Ethan, Claire?
Claire, can Uncle Ethan hold you? Can I hold you? Like, I don't know about that yet.
Think about it.
I'm going to see Uncle Ethan.
Oh, look how cute you are.
I don't know what he is.
She's like, I don't know.
I don't know. You want to go back to Aunt Lolo.
That's alright. We all get overwhelmed with all the newness.
Hi.
You like that ball, don't you?
You like him from afar. Yeah.
We have two. We have a baseball and a football. Yeah.
Football.
Uncle Ethan.
She smiled at me.
Look at that. When he looks